Okay, so today we'll study multiplication of integers. So before coming into multiplication of integers, you should always revise addition of integers and subtraction of integers. Okay, after making that thorough, then only come to multiplication, or else you will get confused, okay, with the signs and all. So here in multiplication we have certain rules. Okay, so let us study rule number 1. So what is rule number 1? What does it say? Okay, for example, multiplication, right? 4 into 6. What is the answer? Okay, so according to the rule, how will we do this? We know, simply take the absolute value and multiply. Absolute value means here the absolute value is 4, here it is 6. Simply multiply them. 4 into 6 or 6 into 4 is same as 24. Now what will be the sign? That is the question. For this we need to apply the rule. What is rule number 1? Okay, when a situation like this comes where both the numbers are having same signs, yeah, here the sign of 4 is plus, here the sign of 6 is nothing, yeah, that means it's plus. So both the signs are plus, yeah, then the answer will also have a positive sign. That is, okay, if we have the same signs here, then our answer will be a positive sign. Okay, suppose if this was minus 4 into minus 6. Okay, suppose if it was minus 4 into minus 6, what is the answer? First we have to simply multiply, then absolute values, that is 4 into 6. What is 4 into 6? 24. Then look into the signs. Both are having the same sign. Both are having the same sign. This is minus, this is also minus. So when both are having the same sign, it will be a positive number. Okay, the result will be positive. See, here when both are positive, it is positive. When both are negative, it is positive. So how do we understand rule number 1? When both are like signs, like sign means similar signs, it is positive. Again, when both are similar signs, it is positive. Understood? Do not get confused here. When both are the same sign, it is always positive. Here also, when both are same signs, it is positive. Okay, remember this. Okay, rule number 1. Next we will study rule number 2. According to rule number 2, for example, 1 is a positive integer, 1 is a negative integer. If this case comes like both are opposite signs, yeah, 1 is positive, 1 is negative. In this case, what we will do? Simply multiply them. What is 4 into 9 or 9 into 4? 36. So multiply the absolute values, and when it comes to the sign, what you have to think? We have to see if they are opposite signs. If they are opposite signs, then it is always negative. If one is positive, one is negative, it is negative. Again, similarly, if it was minus 8 into 7, see here first comes negative, second comes positive. So what will be the sign? Negative. See, when one is positive, one is negative. Again, one is negative, one is positive. The sign will be always negative. That is, in short, when both are like opposite signs coming, we'll simply multiply them and put the minus sign. Okay, here also first we'll multiply them. What is 8 into 7 or 7 into 8? 56. Multiply them, write the value here, then look into the integers. Okay, so they are opposite signs, so negative. Got it? So rule number 2 is done. Okay, now we'll do some exercises and evaluation questions. So one such example is evaluate minus 15 into 8. How will we do for multiplication? Into means multiplication. So you understood this is multiplication operation. Yeah, so then see, we'll multiply them. The absolute values, that is these two numbers 15 and 8, will multiply. What is 15 into 8? Okay, you multiply in your side column. 15 into 8, 5 are 40, 4 carry, 8 ones are 8, plus 4, 12. So answer is 120. It's not over. Look into the sign. 1 is a negative, 15 has a negative sign, 8 has no sign. No sign means what? Plus. Okay, sign means, right now I'm talking about plus and minus. Okay, 15 is having the sign negative, 8 is having the sign plus. So both are opposite sign. So I told you in rule number 2 above, when both are opposite signs coming, our answer will have a negative sign. So our answer will have a negative sign. So the answer is 1 minus 120. Okay, similarly let's do one more. Minus 7 into minus 9. Okay, so multiplication operation. So what do we do? Simply multiply 7 into 9 or 9 into 7, whatever the table you know, you multiply. 7 into 9 is what? 63. Okay, then look into the sign. Both are having negative sign. Both are having negative sign. So what will be the sign here? Remember rule number 1. When both are having the same sign, remember that term, same. So when both are having the same sign, it is positive. Okay, it's easy. Rule number 1 says when both are having the same sign, it is positive. And then rule number 2 says when both are having the opposite sign, it is negative. Okay, so rule 1 and rule 2 is easy. Question example. Okay, 21 into 6. What is 21 into 6? The answer is, when you multiply, you will get 126. Look into the sign. The sign of 21 is plus, the sign of 6 is plus. So both are having the same sign. So according to rule number 1, when both are having the same sign, it is plus. Be it both positive, it is plus. Be it both negative, it is plus. Yeah? When both are having opposite sign, it is always negative. Be it plus minus will be negative, minus plus will also be negative. Okay, I'll write it down here. That is according to rule number 1. Okay, positive into positive. When it comes, the answer is also positive. Okay, whereas negative into negative comes, the answer equals is also positive. Okay, both these are positive. Why? Same signs. Plus plus is plus, minus minus same sign, right? So it is again plus. Do not get confused here. Okay, just concentrate and do. Just see if they are having same sign. Same sign means the answer will be plus. That's it. And rule number 2, again, what does it say? When one is positive into one is negative, that is opposite sign. Plus minus, what will become? Equals negative. Similarly, when one is negative and the other one is positive, same, equals, see, opposite sign. Yeah, minus and plus will be minus. Okay, these two one set, these two other set. That's why this is rule number 1, when same signs are coming. Okay, this is rule number 2, when opposite signs are coming. Got it? Yeah, simple. Just remember this format by heart. Okay, example, there is 11 into minus 5. So simply multiply 11 into 5 or 5 into 11. What is the answer? 55. Look into the sign. 11 is having the sign, nothing is there before 11. Yeah, we look into the left side of the number to see the sign. So here left side of 11 there is nothing. So that is, nothing means what I told you in previous videos also, it means it is plus 11. Okay, whereas the sign of 5 is, look into the left of 5, it is minus. So one is plus, one is minus. That means opposite sign. Rule number 2. Yeah, so the answer will have negative sign. So our answer here 55 will have a minus sign. So our answer is minus 55. So now you can do this as homework. It is 9 into minus 12, minus 13 into minus 2, minus 8 into 3, 3 into 9. Positive, negative, opposite sign. What will be the answer? Negative, negative. Same sign. What will be the answer? Which rule? Okay, think which rule to apply. Negative, positive. Opposite sign, which rule? Positive, positive. Same sign, which rule? Comment down the answer below. See you in the next video. Bye.